trusting the constitution and law. Muslim society should provide higher education to their children. Sufi Khanqa Association, Shahjahanpur. On the instructions of Sufi Khanqa Association National President Sufi Muhammad Kausar Hassan Majidi Advocate, continuous work is being done for national unity in Hindu-Muslim brotherhood across the country. Sufi Khanqa Association, which is working across the country with the Sufi ideology known for the preservation of human values, is continuously organizing events for the expansion of the organization. In the same sequence, a review meeting for the expansion of the organization was held at the residence of Sufi Khanqa Association Rohilkhand Region President Sufi Shakir Ali in Shahjahanpur district, under the chairmanship of Sufi Khanqa Association National Organization Secretary Sufi Kamrul Hassan Qadri, in which many people were given important responsibilities for the organization's work. Addressing the officials present on this occasion, Sufi Khanqa Association National Organization Secretary Sufi Kamrul Hassan Qadri said that our country Hindustan is a country with Sufi tradition for centuries. We're following the teachings of Hazrat Garib Nawaz Rahmatullah Ali. Sufis have given the message of love. He said that just as there are religious texts to run a religion, similarly the text to run the country is called the Constitution. And the Constitution of our country gives equal rights to all. He said that the Muslims of the country have always expressed faith in the Constitution. And in future also we have to move forward according to the Constitution. He said that today it is very important that the Muslim society provides higher education to the children, and for this, if one has to sell the needed flower of the house, then one should not hesitate. On this occasion a letter was issued to make Sufi Shakir Ali the president of Rohilkhand region. In the meeting, District President Shahjahanpur Muhammad Mohsin Ali, Muhammad Sharif District Incharge Shahjahanpur, Salman Sultani, District President Bareilly Sufia Hussain Qadri, District Gonda President Sufi Irfan Raza Qadri, District Bahraich President Sufi Muslim Raza Qadri, Sufi Jahangir Ali Ward President Kakra Mohalla Shahjahanpur, Muhammad Umar Sahib, Muhammad Sabir Sahib, Muhammad Sajid, Muhammad Shakil Wasi, Jalaluddin Wasi Sahib, Basi Ali, Rashid Ali Simaria Shahjahanpur, along with officials were present. Sufi News English.
अपने जबान साथियों पर भी डालना जरूरी है कि हमें अपने बच्चों को अच्छी तालीम देना, अच्छी स्कूलों में पढ़ाना, हाई स्कूल कराना, इंटर कराना, बीए, एमए कराना और बीएड कराना, पीएचडी कराना, एक से एक आईएएस, पीएस, पीसीएस कराना। दोस्तों, जब हमारे बच्चों के पास अच्छी तालीमें होंगी तभी हमारे देश का विकास संभव है। भले ही हमें तकलीफें उठाना पड़ जाएं, हम हल्के हल्के कपड़े पहन लेंगे, हम कमजोर खाना खा लेंगे, पर दोस्तों हम अपने बच्चों को तालीम में कसर नहीं छोड़ेंगे। ये मुहिम हमारे सूफी खानका एसोसिएशन की है। हमारे बुजुर्गों ने हमको तालीम दी, यहाँ हमारे पीर मुर्शिद ने तालीम दी कि यदि अगर तुम्हारा बच्चा पढ़ने जाए और तुम्हारे पास जब फीस का पैसा ना हो और टीचर फीस मांगे, तुम्हारे घर पे जब कुछ भी देने के लिए ना हो, तो तुम्हारे घर पे अगर आटा गूंदा हुआ रखा हो तो गूंदा हुआ आटा भेज दो और बच्चे की फीस अदा कर दो।
Please subscribe Sufi News Channel English.